Frost Science is celebrating American Heart Month with an I Heart Frost Science Day event. And we have a full day full of programming for guests to learn about their own hearts and the hearts of our own animals as well. To start our day off, we actually started with a CPR demo, so guests of all ages can learn, first of all, how to react in the case of an emergency and actually practice hands-on CPR, courtesy of Baptist Health South Florida. Among our other activities are also some of our animal encounters. We've had a bird encounter, a crocodile feeding, and meet the invertebrates session, and then also a tentacle spectacle, which means that visitors can learn all about, for example, cephalopods or octopi that have 3 hearts. Visitors got to watch how our own animals are fed and also learn about the very complex circulatory system that a crocodile and an alligator has. It's quite fascinating. We also had a squid dissection, which was fascinating for visitors to be able to see both the inside and the outside of a squid. Just to keep everybody's heart pumping, we actually had a Zumba session, a couple of Zumba sessions. I Heart Frost Science is just one of the many ways that we're constantly coming up with new programs and events to just keep engaging information and really delivering that science, and we're hoping that everybody can take advantage of it.